Hello and welcome to Technic Force Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a squeeze page in CloudFunnels. Let's begin. A squeeze page is a type of landing page marketers use to collect just email addresses from visitors. Now let me show you how it works. When you log into your CloudFunnels account, go to Funnels and Sites to create your funnel. Hit Create New. Enter your funnel name. In my case, I'll name it Squeeze. Select your funnel type and hit Create to set it up. You must have two pages, which are the squeeze page and the thank you page. Let us first create the squeeze page. I'll name it Squeeze Page. Then select the page category to opt in and click this Add button. The next thing you'd like to do is select a template. Click this Choose Template button. Take note that in selecting a template, you must choose Opt-in Templates. These types of templates are used as squeeze templates, where it can collect data from the visitors. You can also import if you have ready-made templates. Anyway, your squeeze page is now ready. Second thing is to add the thank you page. I will add a thank you page as my example. Same goes with it, select page category to thank you page and add page. We must have our template hit. Choose the template button and choose the thank you page template. Again, you can import your template if you want to. Now that we have our pages ready, click Page Settings. Select your list. If you don't have one, then click Email Marketing and then List on the left sidebar and create your list by clicking this Add New button. The list is where you're going to store your subscribers. When everything is done, save it. The next thing to do is to go to Sequences located on the left bar. Sequences are used for mailing after a visitor subscribes. They will immediately receive an email. In creating a sequence, click this Create New button and start by entering a title. For example, I will have a sequence demo. Select your SMTP to select the lists where you want to store your subscribers. In managing your sequence, you can choose your time interval after the visitor gets their mail. In my case, I will have it during sign-up. Write your email subject, for example. I will enter "Thank you for your inquiry." You can add a subscription message if you want to. On the right-hand side, you can enter the email body. Let me have a hello there. Thank you for visiting us as an example. When done, hit Add to Mail Sequence List. Go back to Funnels and Sites. Click on your squeeze template and edit it by clicking this Add on Existing page. Click this registration container and its name box. On the right sidebar, under Content, make sure that you input the name in the name box. Same goes with the email name, and the email is very important. When everything is done, hit Save to confirm that. Now everything is set up. Click here on the copy icon and then copy the URL and paste it into a new tab. Let us start by pretending that you are a visitor. As example, enter name, email, and phone number. Hit Register. You will now see your thank you template. Now, let us check your email to confirm that the sequence functions. There it is. You can make it as professional as you want to. Next thing to do is to go to Mailing History, and you will see your mail reports are being sequenced. Let us try to check the sent email. You will see the email that was mailed. And that's it on how to create a squeeze page on CloudFunnels. I hope you like this tutorial. We also have a bunch of tutorials about CloudFunnels in this channel. Take a look and you might also find tutorials about other apps which might help you succeed in internet marketing. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.